Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing two Brandon Blackwood New York bags. If you're interested, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. So today I purchased two bags. I purchased the Seal bag and a medium Keui bag. So first I'm gonna start off with the Seal bag. So this is the box, the outside of the box. Inside of the box, he put a lot of detail into his packaging. That's one thing I would say. I love unpacking his boxes. Then in the box comes this little card. I believe it's just like a little thank you for purchasing. Slide it out. It says thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new. It says thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece, and I can't wait to see how you style it. XOXO Brandon Blackwood, New York. Anyways, this is the inside of the bag. Each bag comes with a dust bag. So for the Seal bag, carefully packaged, as you can see. So this is the bag. I think I'm gonna be wearing the bag today with my Alexander Wang shorts. This is the bag. Gold hardware with a gold zipper. Very cute, very stylish. And I just love denim bags. It reminds me of when I was younger. I love purses and I used to have a denim bag. And that's pretty much the reason why I purchased this bag, because it gave me nostalgia. And this bag, I'll probably it has a little zipper inside. You could probably put your lip gloss. It's not that wide. Like, this is the zipper and it opens here. And then it has another little compartment that you could probably hold your keys or your phone in. But I also have this bag in blue, and I don't think it has these compartments. I think it's just a regular Seal bag. But yeah, love it. And the next bag we'll be unboxing is the Keui bag. Please, if I'm butchering it, I don't remember how to pronounce it, but I'm pretty sure it's Keui. Same note, pretty much. Bag also comes in a dust bag, same box. The box is just larger. Oh, I love it. To me, this bag gives me Black-owned Birkin. I got a Birkin for $300. Nah, but for real. Okay. So I love this bag. It's so cute. It's classy. I feel like I could wear it anywhere if I go. I could wear it out to dinner. I could wear it to work. I could wear it to girls' night. Like, it's just, and it's black, so it'll go with everything. So it's this little zipper here. And that is how the bag could expand, I believe. I'm gonna mess it up. Hold on. Because if I scratch my Birkin, I'm gonna be mad. So maybe just because it's new, it's a little stiff. But it's the inside of the bag. Brandon Blackwood, New York. You know the vibes. So it has this in it, again, just protected. So inside the bag, I feel like I could carry a lot in this medium. I could put my little woman toiletries for work. I could put my keys. I could put my phone, my charger. So I'll definitely be wearing this to work because I have to wear a black bag. So this definitely might become my work bag. And I also love that it comes with a crossbody strap. So I also could opt into wearing that. So I could just have it around me all day long, because I'm not the girl that's gonna put my bag on the floor to work. I have, okay, so the straps go inside of here, the crossbody straps. It's little right here and right here. Inside the bag is another small compartment, which I don't know, maybe if you have like one of those card wallets you could put in here. I don't think it's big enough for my phone. Or if you have like just car keys or like 3 small house keys, you could put it in here. But I have my AirPods attached to my keys, so I can't do that. Then there's another zipper, which also isn't that big. Like, this is the zipper. It's really hard to demonstrate. And then this is the little compartment. Well, it's only 2 small compartments, but I feel like it's a lot of space inside the actual bag that can make up for it. So, thank you for watching. And if you like unboxings and luxury things, please subscribe. My name is Bree, and thank you for watching.